Kung kailangan mo ng inspirasyon para sa mga DJ playlist mo, sabihin natin, nawawalan ka na ng ideas for songs to add to them or nagkaroon ka ng DJ's block, which is the equivalent of writer's block for us DJs, try this tip. Personally, mahilig ako pumuntang mall. Not because may bibilin ako or gagastos ako or something like that. Gusto ko lang magmasid. Gusto ko mag-window shop and to just walk around and not really have to be in front of a computer or working. Nakaka-relax, di ba? Pero yung relaxation na yan, may dual purpose yan. Here's what I do. Pumupunta ako sa mga clothing stores kasi yung mga tindahan ng pananamit na yan, yung music playlists nila, more often than not, naka-curate or naka-tailor yung mga playlists na yan based on the brand and the demographic or the kind of people they want to sell to. So sabihin natin, kung pumunta ka sa pen shop, for example, yung playlist nila doon, mas pangbata siya, minsan may K-pop na nakahalo, or tipong, kunwari, pumunta ka sa Zara, for example, yung music nila doon, mas pang European audience siya. So makakarinig ka doon ng mga maraming indie dance, maraming synth pop, pati maraming mga deep house, pati house remixes and edits. So what I'll do is pupunta ako dun sa store na yun and then I'll look around. Siyempre, tingin na lang ako ng damit, ganyan. Pero at the same time, yung tenga ko very active yan. Nakikinig ako sa kung anong lumalabas sa speakers. If there's something that I like, I take out my phone, I use an app like Shazam or SoundHound to get the title and artist of the song. Sometimes, kung hindi siya lumalabas sa phone ko, what I'll even do is, pupunta lang ako sa salesman or sales lady or sa kahero. Sa tatanungin ko, ano ba yung pinapatugtog mo ngayon? Pwede ko ba makita yung playlist? And more often than not, okay lang naman sa kanila. Papakita nila sa'yo na they're playing something from, I don't know, Spotify or they're playing something from their tablet or dun sa computer mismo ng tindahan. Now, this doesn't just apply to clothing stores. You can go to a coffee shop, for example. You can go to a restaurant. And then you'll notice na, pag narinig mo yung music doon, minsan may magugustuhan ka. And then just be mindful. Take out your phone and then use that app para you get the song title and artist. I mean, there's music all around us. Minsan nakaka-inspire din. Pasok ko sa loob ng jeep, pasok ko sa loob ng taxi, pasok ko sa loob ng Grab. Gusto mo yung pinapatugtog. Ask the driver kung ano nga ba yan. If not, just use the app on your phone in order to get the song title and artist. Bilang mga DJ, yung greatest asset natin ay yung knowledge natin of music, di ba? The more that you can add to your knowledge of music, the better DJ you become. Siyempre, hindi naman agad-agad yan yung improvement mo sa pagiging isang DJ, pero over time, that builds up little by little and it compounds.